Alright, viewers, got a little bit of different how-to to do today. My vlog. How many of you have encountered this problem here? You go out and buy these new gas cans and they come with a new fandangle spring-loaded duplunkers. This dang near impossible. You got to push it down on the darn thing to pour, switch it around. You try to pour and it takes you 10 minutes. You get a hernia trying to pour. They don't even come with a vent hole. These here are modified. I drilled a hole in this one here and put a vent hole and just took a little plastic tab, game piece or something I found the right size and plugged it up, and it works pretty good. That's my 2-cycle gas. But I've been switching this. Instead of using the spring-loaded thing, I've been switching this top here that I made back and forth between the different cans. And I had this full of gas. It took me forever to pour, and I went and got me a new top. But what I did with this one was I just pulled all the spring and crap out of there, stuck a piece of garden hose down in there, and it leaks a little bit, but I can pour into the lawnmower and stuff with this vent hole. This vent plug is a little wire nut thing, and you plug that in there. Screw this top on. You can pour pretty good even though it's leaking. But I went down to Tractor Supply, bought some stuff the other day, and I bought this nozzle right here, and it comes with all kind of different tops and a little vent thing you can put in there. Got some how-to instructions there that I haven't even read, but this thing costs about 11 bucks. I've already been tinkering with it, and I found out this yellow thing don't quite fit right. It comes with 2 or 3 of these little tops. I imagine it would fit some cans. It might fit that one a little bit. We'll try it. Yeah, it fits. But this can has got a little notch thing. So what I'm going to do is use the old top right here. All we got to do is drill a hole in this one here and put that vent in it. I'm going to use the old ring right here that came off of this one on my new one. Will you take this thing and slip it right down on there? Screw these 2 pieces together. Gives you quite a long spout. Let's see. This duplunger goes, keep you from losing your top. Well, we'll figure that out in a minute. And it really ain't worth $11, but Tractor Supply knows a good thing when they see it. And there's plenty of frustrated people with these homemade gas cans that downright would give their eye teeth would not have to fight with the darn thing. I got a 1/2-inch spade bit in here I'm going to drill this hole with. Let's see, we'll make the hole right about there. Couldn't be too far off. No, maybe I better come down a little bit. Trying to keep all the plastic pieces from falling down inside the can. Anyway, I hope a 1/2-inch hole ain't too big. We're fixing to find out. Hope it ain't too big. Yeah, it is a little too big. Doggone it, I made the hole too big. Don't use a 1/2" drill bit. Go with something smaller, maybe 3/8. Alright, take 2. Y'all just ignore that hole, pretend you don't see it. I made this one smaller intentionally because I don't want to mess it up. Alright, I did manage to screw up a little bit and drill a hole that was unnecessary. We got the vent working alright. I didn't have any black tape handy. For now, I just put a piece of duct tape around there. We'll get some glue or caulking or something and seal that up better. But there's no reason not to go ahead and use the can. I got my top here. Got it pulled down on there. Now I can switch this top back and forth between all my cans. In fact, let's do that right now instead of using this one with the phony hole in it. I got gasoline in this one, so it's the one I need to use it on next anyway when I fill the lawnmower. By George, I ought to be able to pour the tar out of some gas now. Now I'll put my little string deflunker on here to keep my top from getting lost. And we'll put this on there. How the hell do you say? Just have to remember not to lose it. I ain't fighting with it no more. Well, for better or worse, mostly the worst, I got that on there. Put my tools up.